What if you could build a business based on a major global food trend? This isn't just a fantasy. Now, ancient grains such as millets are moving from farmers' fields to the global stage. Yes, millets have surged in popularity thanks to their health benefits, becoming a dominant trend in the food market. According to several market research reports, the global millet market is projected to grow significantly over the next decade, creating a business opportunity for skilled entrepreneurs. This isn't just another health food fad. It represents a significant economic shift. So over the next few minutes, in this video, we will take a detailed look at 10 millet-based business ideas that you can launch with various levels of capital investment. So don't forget to watch the video until the end. Come on, let's start. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Millet flour manufacturing business. First up, and really the foundation of this entire industry, is the processing and branding of millet flour. Today, people have returned to healthy eating habits. Because of this, whole grain flour is selling fast everywhere, from small towns to large shopping malls. You can set up a small-scale flour mill and grind various small grains like millet, rye, and sorghum. You can sell the dough you make through grocery stores, natural food stores, and online platforms. This sector has strong demand potential in both retail and wholesale markets. Number 2. Ready-to-eat millet snacks business. In India, the trade of spicy snacks and savories is an evergreen industry. The only shift observed in this sector is that consumers are now actively seeking out nutritious alternatives. So start a small manufacturing unit to produce and sell these nutritious snacks. Focus on branding your products as organic to attract health-conscious consumers. Selling online and through supermarkets can scale your business quickly. While profit margins in this sector are attractive, it is imperative to introduce new flavors continuously. Otherwise, the market will quickly lose interest. Number 3. Millet-based baby food manufacturing. Now, a business that comes with huge potential and a lot of responsibility, millet-based baby food manufacturing. Today's parents are now more cautious about their baby's nutrition and prefer minimally processed and preservative-conscious baby food options. You can create millet-based baby cereals and porridge mixes rich in nutrients. Then, selling your products on baby specialty stores and e-commerce platforms will help you increase your sales. In this field, trust is everything. Therefore, investing in food safety certifications and being transparent about your raw materials is extremely important. Number 4. Millet-based bakery business. The bakery industry has always been popular, especially the demand for gluten-free bakery products is rising, as millet-based bread, cakes, and biscuits are becoming popular. So anyone interested in baking can start a millet bakery at home or a small-scale setup. Sell through local bakeries, general stores, and online platforms. Although many acquire the necessary machinery, they are often compelled to halt their operations due to a lack of proper recipes and effective control over the baking process. However, if the taste and texture are perfected, it is possible to secure consistent sales through hotels, cafes, and online orders. Number 5. Millet beverages business. Nowadays, people do not consume just tea and coffee. They are also rapidly purchasing healthy beverage mixes like smoothies, malt drinks, and energy drinks, particularly among younger people. You can start a small production unit and sell millet drinks in different flavors. You can sell in fitness centers, natural food stores, and online platforms. With the increasing demand for plant-based and natural drinks, this business has great potential. But taste and solubility are critical factors in this industry, as consumers generally dislike beverages that form lumps. Number 6. Millet-based breakfast cereal business. The market, traditionally dominated by products such as cornflakes, is now shifting towards millet-based cereals, particularly in metropolitan areas. Consumers are seeking natural breakfast options that can be prepared quickly. Therefore, start a small production unit with basic machinery and sell in grocery stores and e-commerce platforms. With the right branding and packaging, you can target fitness enthusiasts and conscious families. The key to success is offering unique flavors and ensuring high nutritional value. As consumers are eager and willing to try new products, this presents a significant opportunity for smaller brands. Number 7. Millet cookies manufacturing business. The biscuit market is vast, yet consumers are now gradually moving away from products made with refined flour. Millet cookies are becoming popular among consumers looking for alternatives to snacks made with refined flour. Selling on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Flipkart can help boost your sales. The true key to success here lies in the taste. After all, if your product is not delicious, the market will easily reject it. Currently, since major corporations sell their products at premium prices, there is ample room in this sector for smaller brands. Number 8. Millet pasta and noodles production. The instant food market in India is growing year by year, and now people are looking for alternatives to regular pasta and noodles. Millet-based pasta is gluten-free, rich in fiber, and a great addition to the diet. You can manufacture different varieties like millet spaghetti or instant noodles. Selling through food stores and online can help you establish a strong market presence. However, simply purchasing the machine is not sufficient, as achieving the right texture and flavor remains the most challenging aspect of this process. If the noodles break easily or turn mushy during boiling, customers will immediately lose interest. Number 9. Millet farming and supply business. If you have access to agricultural land, millet farming is a profitable option. Millets require less water, are drought resistant, and have a growing market demand. You can grow and supply different types of millets to processors, wholesalers, and specialty food markets. The initial investment for this depends on the seeds, the location of your land, and the harvesting equipment. Government schemes also support millet farming, making it a great long-term business. However, it is a bit difficult to find buyers, and the purchase prices depends on the quality of your produce. Number 10. Millet-based animal feed manufacturing. Finally, there is an often overlooked but absolutely brilliant idea for creating a zero-waste industry: millet livestock feed. When processing grains for human consumption, whether it's flour or snacks, there are always byproducts like broken grains and husks. Instead of treating it as waste, you can turn it into nutritious feed for chicken, cow, or even fishes. It provides balanced nutrients to livestock and is a great alternative to expensive grains. Your target customers for this venture would be local farms and animal feed distributors. This model is a smart business and contributes to a sustainable circular economy. So friends, these are the top 10 business ideas for capitalizing on the millet revolution. However, keep this in mind. A product that sells well in one region may not perform the same way in another market, and this is precisely where many small businesses struggle. This video has been created strictly for educational and informational purposes. Before investing in any production setup, conduct thorough market research and ensure you fully understand the food safety and licensing requirements. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.